Understanding senior perks in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore what we mean when we say senior perks in English. This is a phrase that you might come across in different contexts, and it's useful to know if you want to sound fluent and natural in English conversations. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning of senior perks together. First, let's break down the phrase. The word senior can be used in various contexts. It might refer to someone who is older, typically someone who is retired or of retirement age. It can also refer to a position of high rank or long tenure within a company or organization. The word perks is short for perquisites. Perks are special privileges or benefits that are given to someone. They are often extras or bonuses that come with a job, status, or position. So, when we put the two words together, senior perks generally refers to the benefits or privileges that are provided to senior citizens or those in a senior position. This could include discounts, special services, or conveniences that are not available to others. Let's look at some examples. In the context of age, senior perks might mean discounts at movie theaters or restaurants for senior citizens. In a corporate setting, a senior employee might have perks like a better office, flexible working hours, or a company car. We hope this video has helped you understand what senior perks means in English. Remember, it's all about the extra benefits that come with age or rank. Keep practicing your English, and soon you'll be able to spot all sorts of interesting phrases like this one. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.